Brittany, what did you take?
Okay, ready?
I'm concerned, Brittany.
You okay, homeboy? Okay, let's roll. Okay, y'all ready? Seven, we good? You good?
I'm awesome. Do I look fat?
I just turned Chinese. I can't see. Okay, let's go.
You didn't even look. You just shook your head,
What
Stefan.
do you say? If you look fat?
I asked him.
Why don't you ask me that?
No,
Matt, you'll tell the truth. Do I look fat?
No.
Okay.
Ask me though.
No.
Okay, cool.
Why'd you ask me?
Do I look fat?
But actually, don't ask me.
Do I look fat? Go ahead. Be honest.
You look like the kind of woman black men love,
Is this recording?
You know what? I'll take it. I will take that.
especially in the Caribbean, because everything's bigger down there. Anyway,
Big heart, big personality, you know. Do you want more? All
no.
right, come on, let's go.
I'm with my two curvy friends, okay? Y'all ready to make this drink? Okay, you ready?
Genitals.
Ladies, and are we ready? Are we rolling?
Yes. Show me your genitals. Your genitals. Show me your genitals.
Hey, let's go.
Is that? I'm off beat, huh? That's wrong beat.
Come on, Rapunzel.
What?
Why you get old last year? Like, why you want to look older?
Why do you gotta be an old man with scars on your face?
I don't know, but we look the same goddamn age.
We don't look the same.
Okay.
That's what's up.
Okay.
You look way younger than me, but you know,
Yes.
hey, I'll take it.
Okay, I look
Thanks for
20
the
years.
compliment.
I got all kind of old but shit to age me, and I still look 20 years younger.
I don't like that.
What, the name?
Yeah.
What, you got a better name?
Kardashian, Jordyn, hot
Let's call
mess.
it the.
How about Kardashian Woods?
I mean,
Hot
because
mess.
Kylie's a Jenner.
Okay, what?
How about Kardashians in the woods?
Keeping up
Genitalia.
genitalia.
Genitalia. You like that?
No.
Okay. Well, just thought.
Twins.
So. Okay, but do you think Kylie likes Jordyn more than she likes Chloe?
Probably. I don't think she likes her family that much.
Really?
Well,
But her and Chloe were pretty cool. But they were cool.
yeah, it's hard when you're a Kardashian and you're a Jenner.
Okay, but tell me something. Do you think that Jordyn just made out with him, or they actually smashed?
They
So they made out.
They
no.
smashed?
What?
You think they smashed?
I think they smashed.
They didn't have the opportunity to.
Hey Tristan, you could barely play ball. I can't believe you fuck up that money like that.
Oh, she at least like.
You was sick. You was sick. Okay. You think she did?
Yeah. She at least gave
They
him a
were in the
blowjob.
living room. It
Didn't
was
she stay the night?
No, she drove home.
Oh, I don't have all my facts.
You sure?
Yeah.
She
I mean, I don't know. I wasn't there. So
All I
I
ask
don't know.
Jordyn, in the comments below, Jordyn, was it worth it? Was it worth it?
Yes, it was. Jordyn, I'm proud of you.
You
You
got all
go,
these-
girl.
You got 1,000,000 pipes in America.
But stop blaming
And you
alcohol
picked
for
that
your
one.
actions.
No, but you gotta blame the alcohol. But I didn't
No,
know
you
I was-
don't.
I was
Blame
drunk.
the alcohol. That's
Blame
what
it
I
on the
say.
She drove home.
alcohol.
Yes, let's drink and drive.
Blame it on
Okay.
the alcohol.
Hey, we're not gonna do that. Drink responsibly,
I'm
but you
just
can
saying what
definitely.
she said. She said that she did it because she was drunk, but
And she drove home?
Yeah.
So
So she wasn't that drunk.
So that's the lie.
Yeah. That's what they say. She
The
lied
lie
about it.
detector
He
test.
probably been smashing it for a while. Okay, because guys like to live dangerously. He got all this money, you know what I mean? Why not just sacrifice that over this chick, okay?
boy.
Who ain't got none, dumbass. Stay tipsy, friends! Stay tipsy! See you again next week. Put some likes on this video. Go follow these two beautiful black women. One of them more beautiful than the other one. Okay?
Hey, don't do that. We are united. Give me your
Yes.
hand. Give me your hand.
Do not
United.
hit
Okay.
us against
Yes.
each other.
They are united.
We are
Okay.
beautiful black women.
Okay. Beautiful black
Both of us.
lesbians. Beautiful black lesbians. I love this. We got to cut, okay? This shit getting actually. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.